Did you know that humans spend about 1/3 of their lives sleeping? And did you know that the quality and quantity of sleep you get can affect your overall health and well-being? Now, let's dive into the different stages of sleep. There are two main types of sleep: non-rapid eye movement, NREM, and rapid eye movement, REM, sleep. NREM sleep is divided into 3 stages, while REM sleep is 1 stage. During NREM stage 1, you are in a light sleep and can easily be awakened. This stage usually lasts for about 5 to 10 minutes. During stage 2, your body temperature drops, and your heart rate slows down. Your brain also produces sleep spindles, which help you stay asleep. This stage makes up about 50% of your total sleep time. During NREM stage 3, also known as deep sleep or slow wave sleep, your brain produces delta waves, which are the slowest and largest brain waves. This stage is important for physical restoration, as your body repairs and regenerates tissues, builds bone and muscle, and strengthens your immune system. Finally, during REM sleep, your brain is highly active, and your eyes move rapidly back and forth. This stage is important for cognitive restoration, as it helps consolidate memories and learning, and regulates emotions. On average, a person goes through 4 to 6 cycles of these stages each night, with each cycle lasting around 90 to 120 minutes. It's important to note that sleep cycles can be affected by various factors such as age, lifestyle, and underlying health conditions. In summary, understanding the different stages of sleep and what happens during each stage can help you appreciate the importance of a good night's sleep. Getting adequate and quality sleep can improve your mood, energy levels, cognitive function, and overall health. So, make sure to prioritize sleep hygiene in your daily routine and aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this information helpful.